Alright guys, so today I got this scenario right here where we got a lock that broke. So lug nuts, and I'll show you guys here in a moment. Some wheels have normal lug nuts, which is just like that, and then some of them have locks. Now this lock right here, normally it's very easy to remove them with a lock removal kit. However, in this case, the lock broke, and so it seems to be that we're gonna have a bit of a harder time to remove this lock. Normally it should look something like this, where this is the locks, and then this is the, you get the little metal lock key, we call them the key. Put the drill in and boom, comes right out. In this case, we're going to be using a sledgehammer, a hammer, a drill, and a lock removal key, and see if we can remove it. Now the key here is to push it, and to push it slightly, but not too much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we got it. You know already when you got it, when it starts twisting all crazy like that. And there you guys got it. Now to remove it from here, you just hammer it in. There you guys got it. That's how we remove. Now the key probably got destroyed, so if you're going to be charging for this, make sure that you're charging enough to replace the key that you're going to be damaging. Alright guys, so for those of you watching from home, I do know that one of the questions might be, well, how can I remove this lock if I don't have this lock removal kit, right? And so the question the question really becomes, well, you got to go and buy one of these. You don't want to be trying to remove this without at least a socket kit, a removal kit, or worst case scenario, just go to a shop, see if they can let you borrow one. But again, I believe this whole kit's like 60 bucks. If you don't want to pay 60 bucks, you could buy these individually. Just make sure you're getting one that's gonna fit. Normally they'll say in the box, 21 millimeters, 7/8, 17 millimeter, or 19. And so this one was a 7/8, so my bad, this one was a 21 millimeter. So that's the one I used right here. But again, if you guys are at home and you don't have these tools, then it's gonna be quite tough to remove these, especially because that's their whole purpose. It's for security purposes, to not kind of get out so easy. Now I did try this before and it wasn't working, and so the reason was because I didn't have a big enough hammer. I wasn't able to get the socket far enough in, and with the small hammer it's really hard. You got to really push it hard. You guys can even see I even hit the wheel several times, but at least I didn't grab my fingers, which is very important. But now we're just gonna put the spare for the customer, and you know, it literally just took me 5 minutes to do, and this is gonna be a good 65 bucks. Pretty good. So subscribe guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.